Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the Odin 3-inch and Osiris 5-inch frames by HaloRC. HaloRC is a UK-based company that has been around for quite a while now, and while they do ship their products internationally, recently Chris, aka BloodsFPV, the guy behind HaloRC, decided to expand his business and opened a US warehouse, so now all these products are more accessible for the US market. In this video, I'm going to quickly assemble the frames and go over their features and specs, show you the 3D printed accessories which you can either purchase from HaloRC or 3D print by yourself using the STL files which are provided for free by HaloRC, announce a small giveaway which is kindly sponsored by HaloRC, and on an upcoming video, I'm going to build and fly the Odin frame. Let's start with the Osiris, a lightweight freestyle frame which is available with either 5 or 6-inch arms. In terms of packaging, inside the bag you're getting 2 HaloRC branded 25 cm long battery velcro straps, 4 interchangeable carbon fiber arms, the bottom, middle and top carbon fiber plates, and a bag that contains all the screws, nuts and standoffs for assembling the frame. Now I'm going to quickly assemble the frame and I'll see you in a bit in order to check the results. Now, as you can see, the Osiris frame is assembled. In terms of features and specs, the Osiris frame weighs about 91 grams, which makes it one of the lightest freestyle 5-inch frames which are currently available. In addition, its wheelbase is about 235 mm and it features a wide X pattern. The carbon fiber arms provide some protection for the motors. Their thickness is 5 mm and their width is 11 mm. The thickness of the bottom and middle plates is 1.5 mm. The thickness of the top plate is 2 mm and the distance between the middle and top plates is 20 mm. On the center of the frame, you can find both 20 by 20 and 30.5 by 30.5 mm M3 mounting holes for mounting your stack. You should note that since these mounting holes are blocked by the bottom plate, you should first assemble the stack before assembling the bottom plate. On the back of the frame, you can find 20 by 20 mm M3 mounting holes for mounting your VTX, and you should note that this frame does not support the DJI unit, so in case you would like to use it with the DJI digital system, you need to use the Vista digital transmission unit. As for the FPV camera, since this frame does not come with an FPV camera mount, you'll need to either purchase or 3D print one of these 3D printed TPU parts that are going to enable you to mount a micro-sized, mini-sized, or the DJI camera. So overall, at the first glance, the Osiris looks like a very robust frame, everything is well put together, and since this type of frame normally should weigh over 100 grams, I think that for a lightweight freestyle build, it should be a pretty good option, and I've actually decided to feature it as well in a build and flight video, which should be up in the next couple of weeks. Moving on to the Odin 3-inch frame. As you can see, it's a very minimalistic frame. It's based on 2 conjoined front and back carbon fiber arms and 2 carbon fiber pieces which help to secure the arms to the center plate. In order to assemble the frame, simply use the provided 4 hex screws and mount the carbon fiber pieces to the arms in the following manner, and then simply secure the arms to the center plate. In terms of features and specs, the wheelbase of the Odin frame is 127 mm and it features a true X pattern. The thickness of the carbon fiber arms is 3 mm and the width is 6 mm. The arms provide some protection for the motors, and they support a 9 by 9 mm motors mounting pattern. In addition, the thickness of the middle plate is 1.5 mm It is using M2 mounting holes, and it only supports whoop-style 25.5 by 25.5mm all-in-one flight controllers. As for its weight, without the additional 3D printed parts, the frame weighs 15.3 grams. Including the base mount, it weighs 16.9 grams. Including the freestyle mount, it weighs 19.3 grams. The total weight, including the race mount, is 20 grams, and including the Vista Peak mount, it weighs 22.2 grams. Keep in mind that all the 3D printed mounts that I just showed you are optional, and you need to obtain at least one of them in order to complete your build. And by the way, both race and freestyle mounts come with a flip stick, which weighs 1.1 grams and will help you to flip over a quadcopter in case of a crash using turtle mode. As for building the Odin frame, in case you are going to go for an analog build, I would recommend to use 1202.5 motors, and in case you are going to go for a heavier Vista Peak build, like I plan to, I would recommend to use 1404 motors. Anyway, that's going to be it for this quick video. I look forward to building and flying both frames, and as for the giveaway, the prize is a 50% off coupon for up to 2 frames on HaloRC website. In order to participate in the giveaway, first make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel, hit the notifications bell so in case you are the winner you are not going to miss out, and leave a single comment down below that contains the number 50. I'm going to announce the winner in the next week or so, maybe in the post or when I'm going to build one of the frames, so stay tuned. I wish you all happy flying, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.